Here's how to comment GIFs on Instagram. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to open your Instagram account. Once you are logged into your Instagram account, now here you have to go to the post where you want to comment GIF. Now Instagram rolled out this feature for everyone. Now you have to click on the GIF option at the bottom right corner. After that, you will be able to see GIFs. Now here you have to search for the GIF that you want to comment. This is an amazing feature. Now you can stand out from the crowd by commenting GIFs. After that, from here you have to select any desired GIF that you want to comment. But if this feature is not available for you, you have to check if your app is updated or not. After updating your app, you will be able to see this GIF option in comment section. So this is how you can comment GIF on Instagram.